Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a plane. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Now fold it from the other side and press it well. Now towards the crease, press it from one side and then the other. Fold it inwards and press like this. Now give it a triangular shape and press it well. Fold it from the bottom towards the middle, then again towards the bottom. Press it like this. Now fold the wings and press them well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members, and relatives. Now add some details to the structure. Fold them inwards from one side and then the other. Turn it and fold the wings like this. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. Now, adding some details, fold the wings to give it a shape. Alright, now it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.